Welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious egg masala gravy. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. I've taken 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom, 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of stone flour, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 3 large onions which is finely chopped, 4 tomatoes which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's start adding the spices. Let's add the 3 cinnamon sticks. Now let's add the cardamom and the cloves. Next, let's add the fennel seeds, about 1 tablespoon. Now let's add the stone flour, about 1 teaspoon. This gives a nice flavor to this recipe. Now stir fry it till all the aroma is released in the oil. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped onions. We need to finely chop the onions. Today I've taken 3 large onions which is finely chopped, and stir fry it till they're nice and opaque. At this stage, let's add the curry leaves and also add the ginger garlic paste. Today I've taken about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So let's add it into the onions. And stir fry all the ingredients together. This dish goes very well with chapati or even bread or idli or dosa. During this lockdown season, this dish is a real delicacy. Now you can see that our onions are nicely stir fried. So at this stage, let's add the chopped tomatoes. Today I've taken about 4 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. So now let's add about 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and about 2 tablespoons of chicken masala powder. This chicken masala powder is readily available in the markets. You can use any brand you want. And give it a quick mix. And stir fry it till all the tomatoes become nice and mushy. Keep the flame in slow and add sufficient salt. Now let's close the pan with a lid and let the tomatoes cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add water. Now you can see that our tomatoes have become nice and mushy and has reached a gravy consistency. Let's stir fry it for another 2 more minutes till all the ingredients blend with each other. We don't need the big pieces of tomatoes, so let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now finally, let's add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now after adding the sugar, let's check the seasoning once again. Meanwhile, let's boil the eggs for this gravy. Today I've taken 5 boiled eggs. We need to boil it for about 15 minutes. You can see that our hard-boiled eggs are ready. Now that's it, friends. Our delicious egg gravy is ready. At this stage, let's transfer the boiled eggs into the gravy. Now let's place all the eggs into the gravy and give it a quick mix so that all the eggs are well coated in the gravy. Let it stay on the flame for another 2 minutes till all the egg is well coated in the gravy and the flavor gets into it. Now finally, let's sprinkle with some coriander leaves. And that's it, friends. Our delicious egg masala gravy is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.